Naging mainit din ang diskusyon ni House Minority Leader Marcelino Libanan at Cagayan de Oro's 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez sa issue pa rin ng West Philippine Sea. Inakusahan ni Rodriguez si Libanan na dinipensahan ang China. Si Joan Manalo sa Politico Update.
Nagkasagutan sa plenaryo sina House Minority Leader at 4Ps Portales Representative Marcelino Libanan at Cagayan de Oro 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez matapos akusahan ni Rodriguez na pinoprotektahan umano ni Libanan ng China. Sa privilege speech kasi ni Libanan sa plenary session kahapon, nanawagan ito sa mga opisyal ng gobyerno na maging disiplinado at propesyonal sa pagtugon sa mga issue ng foreign policy, kabilang ng usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Bagamat hindi pinangalanan ni Libanan si Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson J. Tariela, tila ito ang naging basihan ng kanyang talumpati. Matapos ang paggamit ni Tariela ng caricatures ni Chinese President Xi Jinping sa isang academic lecture. Kaya matapos ang privilege speech ni Libanan ay agad na bumuelta si Rodriguez.
I am insulted that a member of this Congress will stand up in favor of China. Madam Speaker, J. Tariela is doing his job as spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard. Because the very reason why this spokesman has to move and act is because China has been violating the sovereign rights of the Filipino people, the Republic of the Philippines, for so many years.
Hindi anya maintindihan ni Rodriguez bakit pinoprotektahan ni Libanan ng China na siya raw punot dulo ng mga panggigipit sa West Philippine Sea.
I'd like to ask again, are you still insisting, Minority Leader, that our spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard has violated the code of conduct of public officials? Because I would like you to read each one of what you have cited, and I will show that he has complied with all the laws of our country in his heart and mind.
Pero paliwanag ni Libanan, hindi pagdepensa sa China o pag-atras sa soberanya ng bansa ang kanyang naging pahayag, kundi isang paalala lamang sa mga opisyal ng gobyerno.
This is an honest call for discipline, propriety, and adherence to the standards required of public officials under our laws. It demands sound judgment, measured language, and awareness of consequences, especially when the words come from those who represent the state. Patriotism is not measured by how loudly we speak, but how responsibly we act.
Naging mainit ang batuhan ng dalawa na umabot pa sa paghingi ni Rodriguez na bawiin ni Libanan ang kanyang privilege speech. Maghahain din anya si Rodriguez ng ethics probe laban kay Libanan kapag hindi nito binawi ang kanyang talumpati.
Ako po ay nire-request na mag-withdraw ng aking privilege speech, hindi ko po i-withdraw po yan. Ito po ay aking personal na paniniwala sa mga nangyayari.
Pero nanindigan pa rin ang House Minority Leader na walang pagsisingle out sa kanyang talumpati. Joan Manalo, Billionaire News Channel.